In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an empty text Notepad file using Power Automate Desktop. This is a handy process if you need to automate the creation of text files without any content. We'll go through each step carefully, so whether you're new to Power Automate Desktop or just need a refresher, follow along, and you'll have an empty text file set up in no time. First things first, let's get started by launching Power Automate Desktop on your computer. If it's your first time opening the application, don't worry. It's designed to be pretty intuitive. After you have it open, we'll move on to the next step, creating a new flow. Look for the New Flow button and give it a click. This is where you'll be building the automation sequence that will eventually create your empty text file. You'll be prompted to give your flow a name. Go ahead and enter something descriptive yet simple, perhaps something like Create Empty Text File. Once you've named it, click Create. This takes you into the main workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you have your new flow ready, we need to add an action that will, quite literally, do the writing, or in this case, set up for an empty file. In the Actions pane, capably located on the navigation pane, type in Write Text to File. You'll see the action appear. Drag and drop it right into your flow. This action will be pivotal, as it allows us to dictate exactly how the file should be created and stored. With the action neatly in place, it's time to configure it to suit your needs. For the file path parameter, you'll need to specify the exact location where you want this text file to land on your computer. You might choose something like C/users, your username /documents, newfile.txt. This path ensures that the file doesn't get lost among other documents. Now, for the text to write, leave this field blank. Leaving it empty is how we ensure the file remains empty. The next step is setting Append New Line to No. This prevents the action from inadvertently adding an unspecified line of data to your empty file. If there's already a file with the same name in your specified location, you'll need to decide what happens. Choose Overwrite under If File Exists to safely create this new version in place of any existing file. And last but not least, select your preferred text encoding. UTF-8 is often a safe choice as it handles most text types without issue. Once that's all set up, it's time to save your flow by clicking Save. You're almost at the finish line. Just one more click on Run to execute the flow you've just crafted. If everything has gone according to plan, you'll find an empty text file right where you wanted it. And there you go. You've successfully created an empty text file with Power Automate Desktop. This simple process can be a real time saver, especially if you find yourself needing to create multiple files with no contents. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.